Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. If you are trying to print something on your HP Officejet Pro 8610 and suddenly you see this message missing or failed printhead, then don't worry. It's actually a very common error and honestly it can happen to anyone. Sometimes it shows up right after you change the cartridges, sometimes just randomly while you are using the printer, and yeah, it basically stops you from printing anything. But the good part is it's fixable. So in this video I'll show you exactly what you can do to get rid of that error and get your printer working again. Method 1. Reset the printer. While your printer is on, go ahead and pull the power cord from the back of your printer. Next, unplug it from the wall outlet and from the power adapter as well. You need to wait for about 60 seconds. After that, plug it back into the printer and the wall outlet. Once done, check if that fixed the problem. If not, it's okay. We will try the next method. Method 2. Realign the printhead. On your printer display, you have to swipe down and open settings. Scroll down and tap on printer maintenance option. Select the align printhead option. Once done, finally on the align printhead screen, tap on continue. It might take about 2 minutes, so don't worry, just wait and let your printer do its thing. If it still shows the error, don't worry, you can try the next method. Method 3. Update the printer firmware. Ensure your printer is connected to a stable internet connection. To go to the printer display, scroll down the menu panel and open settings. Under settings, tap on printer maintenance. Here, open printer update. Now accept the web service terms of usage. Finally, enable the update the printer automatically option and wait for any firmware updates if available. If the error is still there, it might be time for the last option, that is replacing the printhead. Method 4. Replace the printhead. Keep your printer turned on and open the front cover, then wait for the ink cartridges to slide into the replacement position. Now you need to unplug the power cord from the back of your printer. Lift the latch handle inside and gently remove the printhead. Take your new printhead, place it inside and close the latch handle. Next, one by one insert the ink cartridges into the new printhead according to color. Lastly, you need to close the cartridges access door, plug the power cord back in and start the printer again. And that's it. Your Printer Officejet Pro 8610 should now be back to working perfectly. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.